y'all. So today I want to share the one system I use to organize all the things in my business, from client to-dos to digital products to weekly tasks to quarterly goals, literally everything. I store all of it in one free tool called Trello. Today, I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look. We're going to flip this screen around and show you exactly how I use it in my business. Let's go. So if you do not have a Trello account, it's free. There's a link in the description of this video. You can click that and grab your free account now. And I want to walk you through how I have my boards set up and organized in Trello. So this is a shot of all of the boards that I have on my Trello account. I have about 30, I believe. There is a home page for Trello, but I actually don't utilize this page often. You can if you have a large team and you want to be able to see notifications. But I usually just go right to this board page, and then I use this little bell over here on the top right. And this is where I see notifications that I am tagged in. So when you have your boards, there are a couple of different ways that you can organize them. And I want to show you how I organize my boards and how I'm able to have so many boards with a free account, because there is a paid version of Trello, but I use the free one. I have my boards categorized by team. My teams allow me to organize my boards based on content that they include, and it allows me to have more than the traditional 10 free boards on a free account. So this is my overall Creative at Heart team. I have all of our team member boards and then our biz guide board here. I have an archive team. These are old boards that we're not actively using, but I don't want to delete because I still might need content housed on those boards. Then I have a content team with all of our marketing, an offer team that allows me to see all of the paid offers in our business. Our templates, because I do have templates. You can actually access my week templates in the description below. My wedding planning boards, and then my personal brand boards. So I organize my boards via teams so that I can have more than the typical 10 boards that you would be allotted on the free account. On your teams, you can add members to your teams. So I call them teams, but if you have team members and you want your team members on every single team, just add them as a member to each of those teams. Most of my team members have access to all of these teams so that they can kind of bounce around and grab the content that they need on the specific boards that they need. So if you were creating a new board, you would click here, create brand new board. Let's go ahead and get that created so you guys can take a look. And then if you remember, Trello is organized in linear form. So you can create your list here, test list, and then you can create cards to do. You can create to-dos on each of those lists. On the card, you can create a description, you can add labels, you can add checklists, you can add a due date, you can even attach things, and it will sync with Dropbox and Google Drive, and I believe it also syncs with Slack, even though I don't personally use Slack for our team. You can also add members. You can add a member specifically to a board. You can tag them in a comment if they have something that they need to do or learn or work on for you specific to that board. Now, let's go back to my other boards. So let's go back to home here, and I'll show you. I have talked through my week boards before, so you guys know why I love Trello. This is one of the biggest reasons why I love Trello, is because I'm able to keep up with my weekly tasks as well as my big picture projects. I'll link a video in the description where I go more in depth in my week boards. But let me show you guys a few other boards. So we have a board for our membership community. where I organize all of the content that we need, content that's coming up, content that I want to happen, content that our members have asked for. Literally everything involving our membership community is all organized right here in Trello. I also use Trello for our blog calendar. The blog for us is our hub for all of our marketing, our YouTube, our Instagram, our email newsletter. It all stems from the blog. So I have a very detailed blog board where I can have my labels, have quick grab imagery and graphics that I am going to need. And then we also organize all of our blog content right in here. So I can link the content, link our graphics, and then our team members even have checklists right here. So we can get it all done easily right here in Trello. Another awesome thing about Trello is that it will sync with your iPad or with your phone, any sort of device that you have. So I love being able to pull out Trello when I'm on the go and make it work for me and my business. So if I'm working from a Starbucks, if I'm working from my car, wherever I am, I can pull up the Trello app and get things done. I hope this was helpful. I wanted to give you guys just a behind the scenes of specific boards that I have in the business, why I love using Trello, why it's been such a game changer for me as a small business owner with a team of 1, me, myself, and I, and now with a team of 6. I still have the free account and all of my team members are here on Trello. So I hope this was helpful. If y'all have questions, make sure you comment on this video, let me know. And of course, subscribe for more in-depth Trello videos. I will be going more in-depth on my blog calendar in the future. And then, like I said, there's already the video where I talk about my week boards, and that's linked below as well. Again, comment below if you have questions. Excited for you as you kickstart your Trello journey or continue to dive into Trello if you are already using it. I can't wait to hear how much of a game changer it is for you and your brand.